5 hot insider trades. Activision Blizzard director buys $1 million in stock. Investing.com here is your pro recap of the biggest insider trades you may have missed this week. Buys by top brass at Activision Blizzard, Intel, CVs, Keurig, Dr. Pepper, and at. Investing Pro subscribers got these headlines in rapid fire. Start your 7-day free trial. Activision Blizzard director buys $1 million in stock weeks after Kuma blocks Microsoft deal. Activision Blizzard NASDAQ atvi director Peter Nolan bought 13,160 shares, or over $1 million worth, at or 75,9882 a share. This follows the UK Competition and Markets Authority's recently announced decision to block the acquisition of Activision Blizzard by Microsoft NASDAQ misspect, citing concerns over competition in the video game industry, particularly cloud-based gaming. The merger spread on the deal is 27.4%. Following the announcement, the company pre-released its earnings, posting quarterly bookings of $1.86 billion, beating the consensus estimate of $1.79 billion. According to Reuters, the company's King division recorded double-digit growth in mobile net bookings. Furthermore, the pre-sales for the game Diablo IV were strong. It is scheduled to be released on June 6. Intel CEO buys shares following Q1 beat. Intel, NASDAQ, Intecho Patrick Gelsinger bought 8,200 shares or $249,324 worth at $30.385, $4,184 a share, as Investing Pro reported in real time. This comes a few days after the company reported better-than-expected Q1 results. Chivi's CEO buys $1 million in stock following disappointing guidance. Chivi's Health Nice CV's CEO and President Karen Lynch bought 14,000 shares, or nearly $1 million worth at outer 69,7548 a share. This was followed by the company's disappointing 2023 guidance report, which resulted in shares closing the week with more than a 3% loss. 2 more insider purchases. Keurig Dr. Pepper, NASDAQ, TEP saw several insider buys from CFO, Chief Legal Officer, and 2 others, with the total value of the purchases being worth $1.30. At Nice, at CEO, CFO, and 3 other insiders bought the company's stock amid the slide during the week. The total value of the purchases was nearly $670,000.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.